So we've had a few big projects go through the shop in the last little while, and that means we have a ton of scrapwood, and it's kind of getting out of control. I think we have enough to make an entire storage cart out of the scrapwood, and I think that's what we're going to do today. We're going to call it our Scrapwood Scrap Cart. Is this long enough? Probably not. These are never long enough. Is this 32? Oh, 32! Exactly. Hey, Rana, could I get a hand? Is it good?
Wait, in the center, right?
Maybe a little off this way.
Off which way?
This way. Just like a third.
Okay.
Is it there?
Yeah.
Okay. I realized I didn't quite close it here. Tell me when.
Yeah.
Will this be wide enough? It is not wide enough. Alright, welcome to your new home. This used to be a hearth for a wood stove that the previous owner had put in, and it's solid concrete. I think we're gonna have to rent a jackhammer at some point to get rid of it. I really have to do something about all this scrap. You can't laugh. I can't act if you're laughing. Look at all this scrap. I have to make a Scrapwood scrap.